In the wake of yet another senseless shooting, celebrities are sending their condolences to those affected by the tragedy in Parkland, Florida. Camila Mendes, Josh Gad, and Kim Kardashian are just a few of the celebrities who spoke out after the horrific mass shooting. The deadly shooting in Parkland, Florida hit very close to home for quite a few celebrities. While many stars are sending their thoughts, prayers, and asking Congress to do something about the current gun laws after the tragedy, others like Camila Mendez opened up about their ties to the community. Camila reflected on the memories she had growing up in Parkland and tweeted, "Parkland used to be my home. My sister attended Marjory Stoneman Douglas when I was in elementary school there. It's devastating that such a violent tragedy happened in a place I've always considered safe, a place that I associated with such innocent childhood memories. My heart goes out to all the families who are grieving the loss of a loved one and for all the survivors who have to live with the trauma." Josh Gad, who grew up fairly close to the city, tweeted that a friend of his was deeply affected by the tragic events. He wrote, quote, "Last night I received a text while I slept that our friend's son passed away from his gunshot wound. My grief for this family and the many others knows no bounds. I'm so sorry this happened. I'm so sorry our leaders are worthless. I'm so sorry we are bound to repeat this again." Meanwhile, other celebrities like Kim Kardashian and Gabrielle Union tweeted about the necessary action that desperately needs to be taken to stop this epidemic from happening. Kim wrote, "We owe it to our children and our teachers to keep them safe while at school. Prayers won't do this. Action will. Congress, please do your job and protect Americans from senseless gun violence." While Gabrielle tweeted, "Like thousands in South Florida, we sent the boys to school in Broward County this morning. There are no words to describe the despair, horror, and anger. This does not have to be our collective reality. How many more? How many children must not make it home?" Like Kim and Gabrielle, stars like Baldwin and Ellen DeGeneres also used their platform to bring awareness to this tragic event and to send their love to those affected by the shooting. Haley wrote, quote, "Sending all my love and prayers to the families affected in Florida. More lives lost due to gun violence. I don't understand how this is still happening after all the horrifying tragedies we've witnessed. My heart is in pieces today." And Ellen tweeted, "No words, no actions, no laws are enough until we end this epidemic of school shootings in our country. My heart is with the students and parents of Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School." Much like Ellen and many others out there, we at Clevver send our love to those who were sadly affected by this senseless tragedy. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Ava Gordy, and I'll see you next time.